So today we will practice present continuous tense in a different way. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So all ready? Okay. So keep your two hands like this. I am
I am
closing my eyes.
closing my eyes.
আমি চোখ বন্ধ করছি।
আমি চোখ বন্ধ করছি।
I am
I am
opening my eyes.
opening my eyes.
আমি চোখ খুলছি।
আমি চোখ খুলছি।
I am sitting down.
I am sitting down.
আমি বসছি।
আমি বসছি।
I am standing up.
I am standing up.
আমি দাঁড়াচ্ছি।
আমি দাঁড়াচ্ছি।
Fantastic, very good. High five, high five, high five, high five. High five, 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 high five. Fantastic, very good. Okay.